What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the daily vlogs. Right now we're in the German Christmas tree, heading over to do some off-roading, hence the cowboy attire. Off-roading at the ranch, take this thing, maybe do some like dirt donuts, rock crawling, you know, with the usual, whatever Mercedes. Like I saw a video, some guy took a G-Wagon off-roading, so. Thought might as well do the same thing, but I don't think we have a G-Wagon right now, so next best thing, AMG. I don't know. So we're gonna head over there. I think it's hosted by Fontana Ranch. Shout out to them in Malibu Autobahn. So yeah, I'll check back in with you guys when we get to the no longer road section of this journey. We have made it to the ranch officially. Ignore the fact that traction control's off. That had nothing to do with anything. Completely unrelated to anything. Let's see how smooth these roads are. It's actually not too bad so far, considering we got like 2 inches of ground clearance. There is this one part that I'm slightly concerned about, but we'll see. We'll cross that path when we get there. When in doubt, throttle it out. But I hope I don't get the car dirty. I just got it detailed I think 2 years ago. I got it professionally detailed inside and out. So I just really don't want to get it dirty, but we'll see. It's not too bad so far. Still got all my bumpers and stuff. Wow, these brakes do nothing here. It's a good thing we have the off-road tires on. They said the all seasons or something. So that was like off-road season, snow season, track season. So we should be good in any condition. Hence why we're testing them off-road. But let's go down here and see what's up. It appears that I have found a spot where donuts may or may not be possible. So I'm gonna test that by maybe doing donuts. Bad. Okay, well, it does donuts. So I think day successful. Let's go home. Okay, about 3 minutes in and we have a food truck rescue now, so heading over there. Gotta unstuck some food trucks. Oh, look, another Mercedes. Backed up. Yeah. Oh. Shit. Woo. Weren't using that fence anyways. It's okay. Oh, that'll buff out. Can it still make tacos? Let's see what's going on. I got debeated a little. It's not that bad. Seen worse.
Traction, I mean.
Will it start?
Yeah, it'll start.
Okay, all right. Come on now.
Too easy. Harder challenge next time.
Man, right? Simple fix.
So far, the event's going pretty well. Looks like pretty good turnout. Got like loads of Jeeps and all this stuff. I'm surprised more Rubicons haven't gotten stuck yet. But doing some donuts in the Mercedes back there. I don't know, like all these Jeeps and like random four-wheel drive cars were showing up. Pretty funny. The taco guy got stuck. We helped that guy get out. Crashed into the fence, but whatever. It is what it is. He signed a waiver. So, yeah, we're just waiting for more cars to show up, do stupid shit. Maybe take the Mercedes rock crawling so we could get a thumbnail of it. I mean, you guys had to click on this video for some reason, so let's see what's happening.
Guys, welcome to Camp Autobahn. Oh my gosh, we are finally here. This has been literally months in the planning. First and foremost, I gotta give a huge shout out and thank you, and I want you guys to give a very warm round of applause for Justice and the Fontana Ranch for hosting us.
A little treat for myself that I have put together for you guys. We will have a dirt bike demonstration. We will also have a donut pit with some of our more professional drivers that will be going at it a little later.
Yeah.
I'm still questioning how professional you are. I should have made you sign 2 waivers.
And just follow these guys' lead and they will take care of you. Thank you guys all so much for coming out to Malibu Autobahn Camp. Malibu Autobahn.
Okay, donut time. We're gonna teach Royce how to do his very first ever donut. He's definitely never done any donuts before on the street. Only on closed courses where it's legal.
Yeah.
Knock your boots off before you get in the Mercedes, please. I like to keep a clean car. Okay, I'm gonna buckle up. I don't trust the driver. I just don't want to dust their
Wow,
cars
I just
yet.
got a lot of dirt in my hair. This window's going. Turn off traction control.
It's off, I'm waiting.
Can you roll doing this? Just got a shit ton of dirt in my hair.
Okay, are they clear?
I hope so. So much.
Basically, I mean, just do a donut. There we go.
It's not flooring that.
Look at this. Okay, just don't get too close to the...
Who's driving?
Zach. Ready, Ethan?
I trust Zach enough.
I wouldn't.
It's all trust.
Be careful, I wouldn't go too far. I wouldn't go too far. Woo! Electric donuts.
Did you air down?
Yeah, I forgot that I aired down.
Yeah, that'll do it every time.
Yeah, when you lower our tire pressure.
I've seen worse.
No, it's not a big deal, bro. I forgot that I aired down like an idiot.
Okay, so we did an intense amount of donuts. It wasn't that many.
It's completely legal.
We did a few donuts, and
One or two.
basically we got bored of doing donuts. We got bored of it, so we're gonna go pick up a new car just because why not? Just for the gram. Just for the gram. No reason, other than we just didn't have a full video. So we're gonna go pick up the McLaren 750S Spider with a one of one race livery. Anyways, so we're heading over there. It just finished up, so he shot us a text. We're gonna head over there, pick up the car, and see it for the first time. So yeah. Okay, we're pulling up, and the car's just outside. You can't see anything on camera. Should we just park here? You get out. I'm not looking. Did you look? You looked.
No, I'm still not looking. I want it to be a surprise.
You looked.
I peeked.
I haven't looked yet.
Oh,
should I look? Oh,
man.
dude, this is crazy. Oh my gosh.
It doesn't look like it's
Oh my gosh. Dude, that is so cool. Oh my god.
The wing black, but I kind of like.
I like it orange.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Oh. Man, that is badass. That's so sick. That is so obnoxious. I am definitely getting arrested. I don't know exactly what I'll be doing when I get arrested, but I'm for sure getting arrested. This is, dude, this is insane. This is so sick. Looks like Bumblebee from the front with the, oh my gosh. Dude. With the, oh man. OrangeFerrariGang. Heck yeah. Blacked out bumper. Dude, this is gonna look so insane in the sunlight. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this. Dude. Oh, this is not gonna end well. Dude, it sounds so good without an exhaust.
This thing is.
Oh my god, it needs an exhaust. Oh, it needs an exhaust so bad. It's so hungry. Wait, can you do the wing? I wonder if we could see it in here. Slam on the brakes. Oh, dude, what a car. Oh, do the tunnel. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Okay, so after a very long, successful day of doing excessive amounts of donuts, a little bit of off-roading in cars that should not be off-roading, and picking up McLarens with one-of-one race liveries, we're heading back down the trail right now, and out the dirt road, going to head home, and then tomorrow we got cars and coffee. We got some cars and coffee. We're gonna take the McLaren, maybe the Ferrari, I don't know. We'll see how we're feeling in the morning, but right now we're just heading back down the dirt road. Getting one last little off-road bit in the Mercedes, and head home, get some sleep, wake up, do it all over again. So yeah.